Karen. Karen and I are here. Say hello.
Hi, we're here at the stable in Monrovia, and it's a magical place.
It
against
is.
the foothills.
We're with my friend Kimberly.
And this is Jessie, my new puppy.
That is her new baby.
Pride
How old
and joy.
is she? About 4 months?
She's about 5 months. And she's very smart, and she's lucky because I get to work at home, so we practice all kinds of tricks every day. And
I'm going to show off the horses.
Okay.
Who do we have here?
That's Wednesday.
Hi, Wednesday. The food just arrived.
Yes, so they're all eating for dinner right now.
And this is
TK.
BK?
TK.
TK, like TKO.
Yeah.
And we'll scan. This is over here.
That's Cody.
Hi, Cody. And then here's a panoramic view. We have more horses down on a lower level. And I'll walk towards my car where the triplets are. There's little Wanda. Little Lisette is awake, and you can just barely see little Stephanie over there. So this is a shot of the stable where I used to come here. Oh, there's the goat walking on the road. There's the goat. And there's Valley on the end. That's where my horse used to be. All right. This is a beautiful stable. Okay, bye.